Everyone have a great day of this day. Okay, now we are discussing a case study video for this one agriculture concept in the data analytics. The agriculture is the main thing of our India and main thing of our culture. Using for the case study, what are the process or what are the development in our data? So have more or less students are willing to say the agriculture form or agriculture development in the data analytics format. Okay, we have students who have more or less more students have willing that experience. Okay, one by one we will come and explain the case study of agriculture. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself, Jane Neologist. Agriculture is the backbone of India. Nothing can change this fact. Most of the emerging technologies and AI-based industries recognize the problems in agriculture sector, but they fail to reach the awareness and access of small and marginal scale farmers. One of the most important problems in agriculture is crop diseases. But it is not only about the diseases, it is also about the failure to recognize, respond and prevent it. The two major problems or causes that arise from this is, first, crop diseases reduce the yield, which reduces the income from agriculture, which affects the economy. Second, and the most important one, farmers, mainly Indian farmers, fail to detect and diagnose the disease properly. So they use insecticides, pesticides and herbicides without proper management and they spray it heavily. This causes damage to the climate and environment. Due to this, the climate variability have increased tremendously.
Best way to support this statement, I would like to quote two real life examples. The first one is in last year in Karnataka and Maharashtra, there was a huge crop loss in tomato. These crop loss due to early blight and leaf curl virus. The farmers identified the disease very late and spraying chemicals, heavy insecticides and heavy pesticides. It would be faced a huge crop loss and financial loss. The next one is in 2023, in rice crop there was a huge crop loss due to the blast disease. The farmers misidentified this disease to some other disease and improper chemical treatments. So they have faced a huge crop loss.
There are existing solutions like there are existing solutions. Even though there are existing solutions like lab technologies and digital agriculture, the solutions, etc., they are inaccessible to marginal and small scale farmers due to their literacy and financial problems. So, AgriBot 95% is AI-based disease detecting model, and it is easily portable, low cost, and easily accessible by layers. As an AgriBot 25, we are expecting impact expected in AgriBot 95. We are expected in AgriBot 95 is to reduce the crop loss by detecting the early disease and time interventions. It also minimizes the chemical applications and pesticide applications by giving the accurate disease detections. It also increases the farmer income by accessible. As we expected on AgriBot 95 to reduce the crop loss by detecting the disease easily and time interventions. This will also minimize the pesticide application and chemical applications by giving the accurate disease detections. And it also increases the farmer's income by improving the yield stability. As a conclusion, it is supporting the digital agricultural adaptations and healthy.
Okay, wow students, we have more or less content to take our brain storing the main data from the agriculture event or agriculture process to give more experience into the listening concept in the case study session. This case study session is have a great idea from the agriculture or agriculture using development of application. It's best thing in our classes